Tastes good.
Yeah. And the colors like tasty.
Rainbow Orbeez. We have to be careful. Oh. Meanwhile, I try to draw one straight line and it doesn't work. It just goes, you know? Some people were just gifted.
Yeah.
Or some people just worked a lot harder than I did. I think it's that.
We all gifted.
Yes.
In a different ways.
Yeah.
In different areas, but we all gifted.
Yeah, like we were gifted with the ability to react to content, which not many people can do, right? Right, guys?
You can tell about yourself.
Yeah, let us know down below. What is your gift?
Yeah.
Are you also a reactor?
Or maybe your gift
Watching reactions.
Yeah.
Yeah. And judging the crap out of them. Okay, so now we have a nice... Ooh, oh.
Wow.
That's going to be really nice.
Big pancake.
That is a big pancake.
Oh, okay. Nice. I want to eat it for some reason.
Okay, so we have some nice lawn mowing action.
He made it professionally.
He did it pretty well.
Wow.
Oh. Oh. My God.
What?
Yeah, this is a little bit more gross than the other one. I wasn't expecting it to go weird that fast. Ew. Gross. Imagine if they had like a pimple popping video and right afterwards they had that.
Yeah.
That'd be so gross.
Wow, what is this? It's just a layer of paint which...
Yeah, the old paint is going underneath the new paint. Nice.
Wow, okay. I love it.
Interesting. And now, we use this tool. We know that tool.
A bit different.
It's not great.
But this, yeah. No, this
one's different. Yeah, it has a multi-tool for... Because you really need a multi-tool for watermelon. You don't just need a spoon.
Exactly.
Soap cutting, nice.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's like soap creating technique.
Yeah. My mama makes soaps.
Okay.
They're really cool.
You know, I'm always... What is this?
Whoa.
Oh, it's an A.
A for A. Oh!
That was interesting.
Oh my gosh.
No
Orby
way.
Iron Man. Yes!
I want it.
I need it. I need it. Want is not as strong as need.
If I want it, I will.
You'll get it.
I'll get it.
That's creepy. Okay, let's move on. So we have that cool thing as well.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Wow. I love this thing.
What does it do? Why is it... What?
It's some chemical thing.
Oh, it gets rid of paint.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah. I don't know. Wow.
Whoa. I like how his whole body flew up in the air. That's cool. Okay.
Wow, I love this.
This reminds me of like teeth cleaning, but it's car. You know how they have those, all the plaque? Ugh.
Exactly. That's true.
It's nice.
I love it to get rid of such a thing when I clean my car.
Wow.
Whoa, here's...
Those are cool knives, actually. They look like CSGO knives. Okay.
Ooh.
We got some slime action. Whoa, hey.
Whoa, why continue first?
I know. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, what kind of fruit is that? Is that...
No.
Papaya.
Oh, maybe?
Yeah, I think it's papaya. Nice.
Wow, I didn't know that they have these...
seeds in them.
Milk.
Oh, yeah, neither did I, yeah. Ugh. That's what they're feeding you at McDonald's. That's what's in your burger.
I would try it.
Your Burger King burger. Okay. So we have like an Orby mix with slime. Oh, and it foams.
It's getting foamy.
I like it. Foamy. It's getting foamy, homie.
Yeah.
We're the whitest people in the world. We can't say that. Okay, so.
Okay. Yeah. Wow.
And it's a nice iron for your stuff. Ooh. Oh, it's perfect.
And what's next?
And they're dyeing it. Nice and... Ooh.
Wow.
That's a beautiful blue. And it's going to be a tie-dye.
Tie-dye? Okay,
yeah.
Wow.
So, because kids play with it a lot.
But what do you mean eatable? If after you touching this a lot and
it's still
everywhere, it's not eatable. I mean,
yeah.
But if it's potentially eatable...
I mean, kids put their fingers in their mouth, so if their fingers touch it and then afterwards it goes in their mouth, I guess it's the same thing.
Who cares?
It's better if it's edible than non-edible.
Okay, I'm actually...
Ooh.
I'm not sure that if it
Wow, that's so cool. I want to do that so bad. I'm gonna remove all the plastic in the studio.
Actually, we have such a liquid.
Yes.
You can ask Butch.
Okay, I'm gonna take it from Butch.
But to be honest, it not happened like so. I mean, not for the seconds. It takes some time.
Release the balloons! Yay!
Wow, it's a bunch of work to pump it up.
Oh yeah. I mean, yeah. That looks fun though.
Yeah,
balloon
that
party.
looks a lot of fun.
Wish we were invited. Weren't invited again, I guess. Oh, that was cool.
I love this pen.
I love this pen too.
Yeah.
More than a friend. I love it as a love partner.
I would spend the whole life with this pen.
I would put it in my mouth. Oh, I want one of these so bad.
I have such a thing.
You have it! That's so cool!
That's actually really
I love
useful.
it. PewDiePie has one as well. That's why I want it. Nice.
Oh. Wow, but what is this for? I mean, okay.
Ooh.
Ooh.
This is some fancy painting style going on here.
Actually,
Minions. Okay, now no. Now it's over. You ruined it. Snapchat. That's it. We're done. This relationship is over. It wasn't working even from the start. I was flirting with Instagram while I was also with you. Just saying.
oh damn! What is this?
I don't know.
It's expanded.
It looks like it's turning into slime, or like a foam.
It's like the powder in diapers, you know, which absorb a lot.
Ah,
and
yes,
get
that's exactly
bigger.
what it is.
Yeah, think so.
Yeah,
Thanks.
you're welcome. You're so smart. What is this?
Ooh.
Forbidden spaghetti.
Wow. So strong.
It looks really strong. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. What is the material?
Snake oil. More pouring.
I really feel hungry. I want to put it.
Me too.
in my
Yeah.
mouth.
It looks like tapioca pudding or something, or not tapioca pudding, but some kind of pudding.
Yeah.
The point is, I want to put it in my mouth.
And the color matching.
My therapist said I shouldn't do that anymore, but don't even get me started on butts now. All right, so we have a nice insertion into this goo. We got some jelly beans, some sugar.
Okay.
So this looks like it's gonna be a dessert. Some sprinkles. But it's not a dessert because you can't eat it because it's slime, and slime is not edible. Do not eat your slime,
Yeah.
please. I think there are types of edible slime, but at the same time,
For what? I mean.
cool actually. Yeah,
Sure, yeah.
looks designer. It looks like one of those things that look cheap, but they're actually like $5,000 per pillow.
Yeah.
Okay, we got some slime and some. Yeah. Ugh. That looks like cough syrup. Ugh. Nice.
I want to put it.
Can we order that? I just want to order that.
Yeah.
We don't need it for anything. We just want it.
Not even for the video.
Not even for a video. We're just gonna play with it.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh my gosh. I would eat that. I would put that in my mouth for sure.
Yeah. Even me.
It just looks like it tastes good.
Yeah. And the colors like tasty.
Rainbow Orbeez. We have to be careful.
Ooh.
Oh.
Wow. It's look like a caramel or something.
It looks beautiful.
Where
Where does slime go after people are done with it? You know, like it's not a liquid. It's not really a solid. Does it go in the trash or does it go down the sink? I don't know.
I
I feel like there are slime graveyards with just like piles of slime that people have discarded.
But there is also, I think they're like getting dry, and after they getting dry, it's
then you
like
can
a sand or
True.
something.
Yeah, like a dust or sand. Nice. This is weird. Bubble painting.
I love it.
I think it's cool. Oh,
I love such videos when they mixing. I still didn't get for what they mixing this thing, but it looks satisfying.
Maybe easier transport.
Homemade. Our home.
Oh, it's a mini pot. Nice.
Okay. Wow.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
I wanted it.
We should make that.
Yeah. Wow. Look at this.
That's awesome.
Satisfying. Wow. Wow.
Oh, it looks like
it
French
the
toast a little
bread?
bit. Yeah.
Is it this slime?
This,
right?
I have to say, the title might be right. This might be the most satisfying video.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Now it's white.